Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and guys, today I have a little unboxing, guys. So I hadn't realized that I didn't have any Coach wristlets because overall, guys, now I'm trying to be more organized, but I just kind of always threw stuff in my bag, you know. And I started trying to be a little bit more organized, and Lori from Smiling Cats Couture actually gifted me, because I won her giveaway, guys, my first Coach wristlet, guys. And I was like, oh my god, like this is literally my first one. And I was like, you know what, I need to start getting more. And yeah, guys, so I went on the hunt. Honestly, guys, I haven't seen any that I'm actually like, loving in these like recent drops. There's some that I'm specifically waiting for, which Coach has not done. So yeah, I'm still keeping hope out for that, manifesting it, trying to manifest it. But guys, in the meantime, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy my own. I got these from Poshmark, guys. Yep, I went there. I got these from Poshmark. I actually had gotten another one, but the girl was like, hey, sorry, like I can't find it. And she wanted to give me another one, but I was like, oh, I don't really like that one. So I canceled that order and I got these two, guys. So yeah, let's unbox it. So these are actually like pre-loved used ones, because like I said, I'm not really loving the ones that they have been dropping like enough to buy any for me. There's some cute ones, but I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to buy stuff that I love, not just like, because then that's how things pile up. And what am I gonna do? So yeah, let's open them. I'm blabbing too much, guys. So yeah, again, I got these from Poshmark. The only reason I got this, because I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but I have talked about getting scam on Mercari, and I was like, okay, I'm done buying luxury and like brands, high brands like that. But these are like literally, guys, like around $20. Okay, so I was like, whatever, I'll just buy it, see how it comes out, So, and I do have to open it in like 3 days, right? They give you like 3 days to review it. So yeah, I have to open it. They came here yesterday, I think. I'm gonna try to open it like this because it has like my address and stuff. Hold on. Okay, so this is the first one. Honestly, guys, I have no clue which one it is. Let's open it. Okay, so they wrapped it up. 𝓲𝓸𝓻𝓰 consignment. Okay, so I guess that's the name of the store, guys, from Poshmark, like I said. This is okay, I know which one it is. This is a green one, guys. Oh my god. Of course, if you know me, you know I love green. How cute. Oh, it has like a little stain here. Ew, what is that? I don't know what it is, but oh, I mean, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but like I said, they were like around $20. It has like a little chip there. Guys, honestly, I'm thinking about throwing this in the washer. Have you guys done that? What happens? Let me know. She does have a few stains, but I really, really like this green, guys, and I love the like jacquard. Look at this. Look at the little tiny green tag. Oh my god. I want some green stuff. I need neon-ish green, Coach. You're not giving me that. You're giving me like that pistachio, which is cute, but but I don't love. I love myself some neon green, okay? Something like this. This is so cute, though. I mean, you can tell it's used, but I think she said it was like gently used too. Girl, this looks used. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut because I really don't remember. But okay, so this one comes off like this. And then what's this? It just stays like that? That's pretty pointless. You can put something on here, I guess. I wish this whole thing could come off. But look at the little tag. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look. It says Coach on it. So adorable. Let's open it up. Let's see inside. It's a green interior. It's cute. I mean, overall, I guess she keeps her stuff numbered. I mean, like I said, it was like, what? I don't even know. I'll put the price up there so you guys can see. Was it worth it? Was it? But I love this color, guys. It's so stinking cute. I think I'm just gonna hand wash it and then we'll see how it comes out, because like that needs to go. Yeah, I mean, the only flaw I would say is like that, but it's not that noticeable. It's so cute. I love the green, guys. This is why I got this one, because it's green. So this is one of my new wristlets, guys. Let's see the other one. Okay, so this one, if you know me, can you guess what color this is gonna be? Can you? Okay, I'm gonna need scissors for this. Give me a second. I struggled too much with the other one, honestly. I just need to open this. I got my knife. Let's see if it opens. So, yes, this one is used as well. I got these a while ago, so I honestly don't remember what it said on their accounts or whatever. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, guys, this is pink. Look at it. Okay, yeah, I can already tell this one's like way better condition. Way better. Oh my god, guys, I wanted brown ones because a lot of my bags are like brownish colors, you know, and obviously I wanted them to have like a hint of my favorite colors, you know, pink and green. Look at that. Oh my god, they're so stinking cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so it says Coach, I mean authentic wise. Guys, I have no clue. I'm assuming, I don't know, I would hope so. I thought this one came with like a little tag as well. Okay, I don't know, guys. I was just like mesmerized by the colors. So it has like a little wristlet thingy here that is detachable as well. But I mean, it's pointless because this side's not. Unless you want to like wear as a little mini purse or something, maybe. This one does have like little pockets for cards, but these are such a tight fit. Look at that. Compared to like the newer wristlets, how they do it like kind of over here now. You know what I mean? But they're so cute. I love the color. I love me some hot pink or fuchsia, whatever you want to call it. To me, it's hot pink. Okay, that's what I'm going with. But yeah, oh my god, this is so adorable. This one is like in amazing condition overall. You can tell she is used a little bit, but overall she's so cute. Oh my god, guys, this one needs a little wash, but yeah. These are my new wristlets, guys. Should I buy more? And there's something I want to do with these as well, so we shall see. But oh my god, they're so stinking cute. I love the colors. I need more, guys. Oh my god, am I gonna start getting addicted with like wristlets? No, we can't let that happen, guys. We cannot. I'm gonna go and wash this and see what happens. It needs a good wash. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think about my new wristlets? I'm trying to be more organized, like I said. It's crazy though, because like even though I threw everything in my bags, I still knew where everything was. Are you like that? I don't know. It's just like, is it a mom thing? Is it a woman thing? Like you just already know where everything still is though. You know what I mean? But yeah, trying to be more organized. That's why I got these. And I love them. I want to see how this one looks after I clean it. This one looks pretty beat up compared to this one, but yeah. Or look, I think she has like a little stain right there too. She'll probably need a little wash as well. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Let me go wash them. Okay, just wanted to show you guys real quick. So I did end up washing them. I just put like some Tide on it and I scrubbed it with like a toothbrush and it looks better. I mean, this one wasn't bad, but look guys, oh my god, the color kind of like dripped, so I had to clean that off now. But I just want to show you guys real quick. This one looks better, I would say, overall. They're still a little damp, but yeah, I just want to show you guys. I love them. I love these colors. So pretty. Coach, come up with some colors like this, some bright, beautiful pink and green colors, please.